Day 4. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I hope it was relaxing and calm, and that you guys were able to do something at least sort of fun, even if you were somewhat stuck inside your houses. It's day 4. It's a new week, which is exciting. We made it through the first week, which is such wonderful news, and I'm excited that we get to start another week together. Here's what we've got to do today. Day 4. Not too bad. Pretty actually simple, if you ask me. First thing on the list for day 4, as always, is our morning work. I think there's only 3 questions today. Shouldn't take you very long. I believe they're story problems. Make sure that you still grab a piece of scratch paper, solve on your scratch paper so that you make sure you're doing your best work. Once you've done your morning work, go back, mark it as done. You're good to go. Next, you're going to watch a little fraction video that Miss Clayton and Miss Harris put on. It does not have an assignment attached to it, but there is one small little thing I need you to do because we're kind of changing up the way we're going to do math. We are going to do a live math session tomorrow, and I'll be sending out an email to your parents so that they know what that looks like. But tomorrow, we will be getting on to Google Hangouts and we'll be able to talk all together as a whole class live. I'll teach a math lesson. This fraction video is going to introduce the things that we're going to be talking about tomorrow. Now, in the instructions for the fraction video, it asks you to watch it twice. How many times? Twice. 2 times. You're watching that fraction video 2 times. Even if you understand it the first time, watch it a second time because I promise there's more you can still learn. So watch that video twice. Then in the instructions on the assignment, it asks you to get a piece of paper and write down the fraction 2 and 1/4. And to convert the fraction 2 and 1/4 into a fraction greater than a whole or an improper fraction. The video will teach you how to do that. Now, I'm only asking you to do that one problem, 2 and 1/4, because we're going to be talking about that problem tomorrow on Tuesday when we do our live math video. So, I need you to make sure you save that piece of paper. If you're not 100% sure how to do it, write down the questions that you have. We'll talk about them all together as a class tomorrow. Once you've watched that fraction video twice, and you've told me how to change 2 and 1/4 into a fraction greater than 1 or an improper fraction, then go back, mark it as done, and you're good with that. If you've got questions about that, hop on my Google Hangout today. Hop on my Google Hangout today and we'll talk about it, okay? Then, you're going to be getting onto Utah Compose, and I made a video that teaches you how to get on, where exactly you're supposed to go. Please watch that video first. It's linked in the assignment. And you're going to be reading a text about Shoshone Indians. Some of you may have already read this text, but you're going to read it a second time. And on Utah Compose, you are only writing the main idea. You are not writing an entire summary for Shoshone Indians. You are only telling me in one sentence what is the main idea of the Shoshone Indians text. In your Utah Compose, and then you'll push save and quit. There's a whole video that teaches you exactly how to get on and find this text, find the success criteria, write the main idea, and then what to do once you've done that. Once you finish that assignment, you're going to push save or mark as done, and you are good. If you've got questions about that, pop in to the Google chat, come ask me. Then, you are going to be making a little video, a Flipgrid video, about the clouds that you see outside. So I want you to go outside in your backyard, your front yard, wherever you can see the clouds. Look up into the sky. Decide what type of clouds can you see. Are they cirrus clouds? Are they cumulus clouds? Are they cumulonimbus clouds? Are they stratus clouds? And then I want you to tell me, how do you know it's that type of cloud? So if you look in the sky, you're like, those are cumulus. How do you know they're cumulus? What do they look like? What clues did you look for that told you that? And then what type of weather does that mean you're probably going to see today? Is it going to be nice and bright and sunny? Is it going to be rainy? Is it going to be a change in the weather? You tell me. Okay, so once you've done that, mark it as done. You're going to make a Flipgrid video telling us what type of cloud, how you knew, and what type of weather that predicts. Mark it as done. You're good to go. Then, this is so exciting. All of Utah is participating in like a spirit week. All of Utah. And so tomorrow's little spirit week is Crazy Sock Day. So I want you to find some crazy socks. I posted a Flipgrid video link. I want you to show us your crazy socks in a video. Tell us why you chose those socks. Explain them to us. Show them to us in the video. And we can all look at each other's crazy socks, even if we can't see each other in person. Once you've done that, mark it as done. You're done. Super simple and easy day. Not a big deal. But I will still have my Google chat, my Google Hangout up. So if you want to come say hi, come say hi. If you've got questions, come ask me questions. I'll be there. Okay? Then don't forget, these are things that you need to make sure you get done every week, even this week. You need to make sure you get 16 units of Lexia. Every single person, whether that's your goal or not, you're getting 16 units. The easiest way to do that, do 4 a day. Not a big deal. 4 a day. Also, don't forget to get your reading minutes in. You should be reading 20 minutes a day, just like we always do. Think about how at the end of the week you're going to have a homework quiz like you did last Friday. You're going to have to tell me whether or not you got all your Lexia units and whether or not you read all the minutes you needed to this week. So make sure that you get your reading minutes in. And a good way to get your reading minutes in is to go look at Epic Books. I know some of you already have, some of you haven't. So go ahead and jump onto Epic Books. If you're not sure how to get there, look back on Friday, and I posted a link to get to Epic Books with a class code and a pin on Friday. So go do it that way. If you're not sure how to get there, come ask me on my Google Hangout or send me a text or an email. I'll tell you how to get there. But you can totally count any books that you read on Epic Books towards your reading minutes. Or you can just read a good old-fashioned book that way. That counts too. But check out this website. It's super cool. Lots and lots of really awesome books. All right, that about covers it for today. Remember, I will be on the Google chat. I would love to see your faces and say hi. So come and see me or ask me any questions that you might have. I will be there. I miss you guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope that your weekend was fabulous. And I will see you soon.